Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zidane Hamid and I'm 8 years old. And today, while I was reading my course book, I came upon a very good hadith of oral hygiene. And it is reported by Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu that وعن أبي هريرة رضي الله عنه أن رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم قال لولا أن أشك على أمتي لا أمرتهم بالسواك مع كل صلاة. And if it was not hard, I would command my ummah to do miswak, with every salah. As you know, our teeth is one of the most important parts of our body. We will eat, chew and break the food with it. So, to keep our teeth clean and prevent it from many diseases like tooth decay and oral cancer, the solution to it? The miswak. Apart from being a forest herb, it also has many nice cleaning properties and is more better alternative than the modern day toothbrush. And the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam always had a miswak with him. When he went out, even before bed, he did the swak. So if you want to keep your very important part of your body, the teeth, protected from very bad diseases like pedentialism, gingivitis, oral decay or tooth decay, then always use miswak. So this is all for today, and if you want to see more videos, go to my website zidanehamid.com or even log into my Facebook page. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be waiting for your feedback. Jazakallahu khairan wa assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.